Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add weather widget to your iPhone's lock screen. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and once your device is unlocked, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to bring up the lock screen. Then you can hold down somewhere here to bring up that mode, and then you can select any of your wallpapers, and once you did that, just hit right here at Customize and select Lock Screen. Then you would be able to manage your lock screen widgets by tapping at that widgets bar. First off, you can remove some widgets if you want, and then just scroll down until you find weather, then just tap on that, and now you are able to select between lots of different widgets, and you can add all of them or some of them to the lock screen. You can just tap on that widget to add it to that widgets bar. Then you can tap somewhere here and hit add done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.